Welcome to our RV tour. We recently purchased this 2000 Fleetwood Discovery RV. Our previous visits to the States, we have always hired an RV and have loved road tripping the USA, so we felt it was time to just buy our very own. Dylan will take you inside the RV for a full look and why we chose this RV for our future travels.
We're on our way to Oatman, but I couldn't think of a better place to do a review on the motorhome that I've purchased. It's a 2000 model Fleetwood Discovery and it's a diesel pusher. So let's get right into it. So overall, RV is in really good shape. We just had to fix a few little minor things like some screws, things like that that have fallen out over the years. Remember, it is a 24-year-old motorhome, but been well maintained, well looked after, and yeah, got plenty of service history and things like that. I am starting to learn that they're not exactly the cheapest thing to run and operate, but compared to things I was looking at when I first arrived here, it is much better, much easier to live in. Stacey and I, will be in this for quite a while. She isn't here yet, so she hasn't really even seen it except for a few video calls. When it comes to the RV, it's been a pleasure to drive. We've currently covered around about 500 miles, or there close to. Haven't had any issues. It's been a great vehicle. And we're currently getting around the 11.5 miles per gallon. So, been a great unit. This unit behind me has a 5.9 litre Cummins diesel motor. Just super reliable workhorse. I can't fault it. And everything I read online is exactly the same. Okay, so the motorhome has tons of storage, basement storage underneath. It's absolutely enormous. It has more than enough for what I want to do. We could be off the grid for ages. It has a 7.5 kilowatt diesel generator. Still blows my mind that I actually purchased this. Yeah, you could not own anything like this in Australia and without selling your house first.
Come on in and have a look.
Okay, so it's been pretty exciting so far. Look at it. Like, it's nicer than my house. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, pretty amazed by it. Has these lovely leather recliners, and they also swivel. Not a factory option. These have been all upgraded. The fold down leather booth here. So as you can see, you just lift up here, pull it out, which lays down to a bed. Then you just lift it up. That was very graceful. So I'm still blown away. I'm still trying to process all the things that this motorhome has to offer. 2 air cons for the roof, a TV behind you guys, up the front for the media entertainment. Moving on to the kitchen, we have a dining room table for 2. This does also expand out, and there is an insert that goes in, which is in the cupboard back here. There is a microwave convection oven up here, okay, followed by a 3-burner gas stove. Someone has, by the looks of it, installed a water filtration system for drinking water. You've obviously got a double sink up here with a chopping board or extra piece just so you've got more bench space. Okay, tons of cupboards all the way throughout. This whole wall here, from the kitchen through to that booth, is a slide. So the whole thing moves out. Everything works. There isn't an issue. We have been using the last couple of days the leveling jacks, and they've been flawless. Just got to remember to raise them before you move. Almost stuffed that up, but didn't, thankfully. So speakers throughout for the sound system, or the TV, whatever you're running. Normal kitchen, all the sink, cupboards, everything like that. Massive refrigerator. Freezer on this side, and there is even an ice maker in there. Don't know if it works. I'm too scared to try it, especially with driving around. It's maybe something that I'd fire up when I'm parked, but on this trip we don't need it. So let's have a look inside. So there are doors both for the rear bedroom and the bathroom. They're both internal sliding doors. Over here we have the sink, okay, running water, plenty of cupboard space again, even the mirrors just here, these all open up. Okay, you've got plenty of storage in behind here, there's 3 shelves. Also have the lavatory, or the toilet, the throne, the long drop, the dunny, whatever you want to call it. Okay, segregated, it's separated, max air fan in the roof. On this side here, we have this massive wardrobe with a live vacuum cleaner. Just got to wrangle it a little bit. That's right back in there. No. But that cupboard is currently full of just odds and ends, vacuum cleaner, our bags. So here is where you can put a washer dryer. It's all set up, ready to go for it. We currently have the bags stored in here, but it is all set up, ready to go for a washer dryer. So massive double shower, huge amount of space, 2 people could shower in there, no problem at all. Currently, you may see there is no shower head, because I've ordered a new one, because the old one, which is down here, is kind of stiff as a board. Got to remember that these vehicles go through an earthquake every time you drive them. So being 24 years old, this thing is immaculate. You know, it's holding up very well. There is some creaks and groans as we go down the road, but everything is there, everything is functioning. There is no damage to any of the cupboardry or anything like that. It's all structural and sound. So no complaints here. Okay, now let's have a good look at the master suite. So in front of us we have a full-size queen bed, massive amounts of cupboard space up the top. There is a TV in this corner here behind. Hanging space in both sides, 3 drawers on either side of the bed. You've also got these lovely bench spaces. There's also fixtures and lights throughout, so you've got plenty of lighting, but the bed is the best thing. It has a new foam mattress. Again, I was looking to spend and buy a mattress, but I didn't have to in this case. Okay, something that I did not realize that it had, a hidden feature to me, is an in-wall vacuum system. So you just put the lead in there and it fires right up. How cool is that? Look at this book. This book here, this big heavy behemoth of a book, is full of service records, everything about this vehicle. So that is another reason why I purchased this particular one, because it has all been documented, everything is there. Cannot fault that. You need to know what's been done and what hasn't been done. So do your checks, people. Okay, so the cockpit on this is phenomenal. I cannot fault it. Everything is easily accessible. The one thing I did upgrade is I put a new Pioneer touchscreen. It's a floating touchscreen, it's a 9-inch. It has been a game changer. It's all wired in, everything works, comes through the speakers, and it's flawless. It really changed this. Instead of having your phone or something mounted as a GPS, it's now hardwired, it's fully in the cab. That just makes ease of access, and it's nice and bright, easy to use while I'm driving, so everything is there. I don't have to worry about it. Also, the captain's chair in the driver's seat is fully electric. And they both, front passenger ones, like front passenger, and the drivers do 360. So you can turn around and use them within the cabin for friends or family. I cannot believe that Stacey and I have been given the opportunity to purchase something as grand as this. It blows me away on a daily basis, and I'm sure when she comes over here and sees it physically in person, it's just going to blow her mind.
The RV provides plenty of storage inside and underneath, with a user-friendly control panel above the driver's seat, individual controls for the 2 air conditioners, monitoring of the RV's capacity levels, all essential switches, and keys to operate the slide-out. All driver controls, including the leveling jack controls, are conveniently located on the left side. It comes with a factory standard reverse camera, which, despite its vintage appearance, works effectively. The RV also has electric fold-out stairs and a handy stair cover for the passenger's comfort. We are beyond excited about owning this fantastic RV, and I can't wait to see it in person. Thanks for joining our RV tour. Stay tuned for more adventures in our new home on wheels. See you in the next video.